Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a copper pipe leak without solder. We'll explore several practical methods to quickly address a leaky copper pipe, saving you time and hassle. First, we'll dive into the reliable world of compression fittings, a sturdy solution for a lasting repair. Then, we'll look at the incredibly easy-to-use push-to-connect fittings, perfect for a fast fix. Finally, we'll cover some handy temporary solutions like epoxy putty and repair clamps to get you by in a pinch. Compression fittings offer a robust and long-lasting solution for a leaking copper pipe. To install one, you'll first need to cut out the damaged section of pipe. Then, slide the compression nut and ferrule onto the pipe, followed by the fitting body. As you tighten the nut, the ferrule compresses around the pipe, creating a strong, watertight seal. This method is excellent for a permanent repair and can be done with just a couple of wrenches. For an incredibly fast and straightforward repair, push-to-connect fittings are a fantastic choice. These fittings require no special tools. You simply push them onto the clean, deburred ends of your copper pipe. An internal gripping ring holds the pipe firmly, while an O-ring creates a watertight seal. They are perfect for emergency repairs or when you need to quickly restore water service. Many brands are available, often rated for up to 200 pounds per square inch of pressure. Sometimes you need a quick, temporary fix to stop a leak until a more permanent solution is possible. Epoxy putty is excellent for small pinholes. You simply mix the two parts and mold it around the leak. For slightly larger leaks, a pipe repair clamp, often with a rubber gasket, can be secured around the pipe to stop the flow. While these methods can hold for days or even weeks, remember they are not meant as permanent solutions for your plumbing system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.